Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Striff multi-angle mobile stand. On the box, we can see some Striff branding at the top with a likeness of the product in the middle. Here we can see its various compatibilities like its support for desktop. It also has multi-angle adjustments and a portable stand. Right at the bottom, we can see that it can be used with mobiles, tablets, and MP4 players. On the left-hand side of the package, we can see the various social media handles of the brand. There's nothing on the right-hand side, and there's nothing on the bottom as well. On the top, we have a QR code that leads to the brand's website. On the back is where most of the key specifications and features of the product are, so let's go through them one by one. The specifications are that it has a 0 to 100 degree tilting stand that gives it 10-way adjustability. We have already gone through the next feature, which says that it can be used to hold smartphones, tablets in portrait or landscape mode safely and securely. It has a built-in steel spring which can withstand folds above 10,000 times. It is portable in size and it is foldable to make it easy to slip into your pocket, and it has rubber pads and feet to protect the device from scratches and sliding around. Right here we have a diagram of how the product can be used. Once again, we can see the social media handles of the brand. Here we have some marketing and manufacturing information, and on the bottom right we have a barcode. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. All we get is the product. We can see that it is made from hard ABS plastic, making it quite tough and durable. And here we can see its kickstand and its various adjustability options. Here we can see that below this hook mount, it has a rubber pad which will protect any device that you keep on it from scratches, and the aforementioned feet which are made from rubber itself, so that when it is on a smooth surface, it does not slide about too much. We can see that it has a chrome finish on the hinge. Now let's just see the product in action. We have a smartphone here, and it can be used at various heights, basically giving you a hands-free experience while watching videos or movies using this device. Well, that's it for this unboxing. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.